Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and view Facebook marketplace hidden information. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, access your Facebook on your browser and simply go to this marketplace option. Now here in this section you're gonna find all kind of pics and the offers and stuff. So you're gonna go ahead, tap on that particular offer of yours, and here in this IP address you can check it out. Right, simply go ahead, tap on your link, and here in this www, simply erase it and tap on M and search it up, and this will simply link it to you this particular ad of yours individually, including all of the information. Or the thing that you can do is you can simply copy the particular link as well and go to a new browser of yours and simply go ahead, paste it and search it up. You will find all of the information regarding that just like that. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.